Hi, I'm Steve Leiker. I'm one of the resident artists at RPAC in Ridgefield, Connecticut. I'll be presenting a workshop on composition and values over the upcoming days, and I hope you'll be part of that workshop. So what I'll be talking about is the importance of composition and values in the success of your painting, to make sure that it captures the imagination and attention of the audience and is a successful painting. Even the best brushstrokes will not result in a good painting if your composition is poor. So I'll be talking about the fundamentals of composition, looking at lots of examples of both contemporary and historic paintings as examples, and taking you through my recommendations for an attractive composition that captures the audience and really attracts your painting. I hope you'll be part of the workshop. Thank you.